Here's the new graphics I put on it today. They're One Industries Delta, the 2011s. I don't know, they went on pretty good. They look pretty decent. I like them. While I was at it, I went and I cut the little flopper down off the pipe. So now it's nice and flat in the end. I don't know, I like that look a little bit better. So I'm not going to put aftermarket exhaust on yet. She's running pretty good. Sounds pretty good right now, I think. I'm still waiting. I have customized number plates going on the back from One Industries. I got the front plate too. And then I gotta wait for their trim kit to come out, and I'm gonna put some decals on the fork guards and on the front fender and the rear fender. But they aren't out quite yet. But yeah, it's just a little video of my new graphics I put on it.